Hi, I'm Chart Gal Lori, and I'm part of the Chart Guys community. I've been a trader and technical analyst for the last 8.5 years. Today, I'm going to bring you a summary of the indices, crypto, commodities, and the movers and shakers of the day. Let's get into it for this Wednesday, June 26, 2024. Make my face a bit smaller. So this is our heat map, and we have seen some beautiful rotation Monday, Tuesday, and now today. Just great rotation. Apple, Tesla, and Amazon, they were the belle of the ball. Amazon got a new all-time high today. Apple was green and really strong, and Tesla finally broke out of that range. It's one of my Queen of the Mountain trades. My number one trade idea for the day was Tesla long. Just really worked out well. Microsoft made a new all-time high, was able to just eke out green. Then we had a lot of red around the board that kept us from really getting those sustained higher highs and higher lows. All right, tomorrow we have GDP. So be aware of that. Durable goods order, jobless claims, and GDP. We have pending home sales. So we've got a smattering of news tomorrow. So just be aware of that. Then I also like to point out that we have a giveaway. We are giving away a course on July 1st. We will pick a winner randomly. So you can go to this link that's down in the description below and sign up to win a free course of your choice. And also give me a follow on X at ChartGalLori, and I won't spam your mailbox, your alerts, whatever that's called. All right, let's look at some charts. Closing pretty green in semiconductors. We're pulling back now at market close. So look at semiconductors. Yeah, NVDA had a really nice close and managed to eke out some green. All right, going back to ES, we're pulling back here into the close, but let's look at the bigger picture, which is more important. This is super healthy consolidation at this point. Nothing concerning for the bulls. This is a potential 2-day bull flag, and bulls are just fine here. NASDAQ, potential 2-day bull flag, and they're closing green. They look wonderful. No issues there. We have the Russell is another story. The Russell, we lost this daily support of 202490. Actually, we got a double bottom on IWM. Yeah, we got a double bottom on the Russell. I was just eyeballing that and didn't hover over it. So we are looking for a potential daily higher low compared to 198.46 on the Russell. But as you can see, we're firmly below the daily 50 MA and EMAs. All right, the Dow, we're closing a little bit red at the daily 50 MA. We do have a lower wick of bulls buying the dip right there. I don't see any major issues with the Dow consolidation. Again, plenty of room for a daily higher low. VIX gave up the ghost. We have a 4-hour downtrend, hourly downtrend, and daily support is still in play at 1218. So on the next bounce, bears will be looking for a daily lower high. I just keep sliding down on the camera. It's hot today. I'm a little slippery. Bitcoin has potential daily bear flag. Bulls are looking for this potential weekly higher low, and we don't get reassurance that it's done until we get a 4-hour trend change. We have to have a 4-hour trend change on Bitcoin and Ethereum to then have more reliability, or to ensure that the weekly higher low is more secure and reliable. That's a better way of saying it. So we need those 4-hour trend changes on crypto. All right, the dollar closing strong, potential 4-hour bull flag. These bulls have been absolutely on fire. A weekly lower high is possible compared to 106.517, and that could help the gold bulls. We are down at that weekly triple bottom again. We're making another low at 2304. Gotta hold it, bulls. And then the data tomorrow will likely move the dollar and the metals. GDX has a weekly inside bar, and on the daily, pulling back pretty hard after the rejection at the key moving averages. Yeah, I don't see any redeeming setups here. Just doesn't look that great. Gold needs to get its act together. Oil, we had this 4-hour head and shoulders this morning. We discussed on pregame here, and here. We broke support of 80.23. We broke it by 5 pennies and then we bounced, but I would say this head and shoulders is still potentially in play on oil. ARM had another green day today. I mean, they still look good. No major issues considering how weak everyone else was. ARM was just going sideways for most of the day. Did we close with hourly inside bars? No. 4-hour inside bars. Yeah, we closed with 4-hour potential bull flag on ARM. AVGO continues to languish down here at the lows. 1564 is support. We have a big gap down here at 1500. We are looking for the daily high or low, and bulls need to put it in sooner than later. That was a decent close though on AVGO. NVDA. NVDA, we're looking for that daily lower high. We were opening pretty strong this morning, and then man, when the bears pounced here, they dove in. So we closed right under the high of yesterday, 126.50. It was a decent strong close. They had their investor meeting today right on this candle, and we didn't get a lot of news bites that I saw from that investor meeting. It didn't make a bit of difference. Micron is having earnings right now. Okay, they're pulling back about 7%. That could impact semiconductors, so be aware of that. Apple broke out of its tightening range. We came into the day with a tightening range and it broke bull. We had higher high, higher low, lower high, higher low, and then we broke bull. Amazon was very similar with a 4-hour EQ, higher high, higher low, lower high, higher low. We broke bull from there. And then Tesla was similar as well. We had this tightening range, which looked better on the 8-hour. We had a big bull break. This was big. Tesla bulls have been waiting for this. Look at this squeeze. This squeeze started back in May. So they've been waiting for this for 6 weeks. And by they, I mean me. So we got a great big bull break today. On the daily chart, we got over weekly resistance. This is what the bulls want to see. This squeeze, when it fires, you typically get 6 to 8 bars of follow through. So let's see if we can get possibly 6 to 8 bars or 6 to 8 days of bull follow through. We'll see. MSOS closed green. Go figure. I think there were some news headlines. However, we still have the daily 200 MA right overhead. We broke the daily inside bar bull. That's not what the MSOS bulls want to see, but they'll take a green close anytime. This still could be a weekly bear flag, so be aware of that. XLF, we have a potential weekly head and shoulders here. We had a really weak day. Yeah, really weak day. We lost the low. We gapped down actually, and we never even filled the gap from the prior day. That's how weak XLF was. DJT, I want to just let you know that we have the debate tomorrow night. This is not a political comment. It's just it could impact trading, and especially DJT. I would anticipate that it would be bullish tomorrow and possibly sell off Friday. That's just a guess. I'll just follow price action. We should have some decent volatility there. RIVN gave up a lot of the overnight gains on that Volkswagen investment news. A close with a potential hourly bear flag, but we still have plenty of room for a 4-hour higher low compared to yesterday's low. Let's see if Rivian bulls can get some sustained movement tomorrow. And we still have that falling wedge look on GameStop. I'm not discounting the possibility of a 4-hour / daily falling wedge on GameStop. It's possible. Bulls just need to get their act together and start getting a sustained uptrend. All right, let me make sure I went over my notes. Debate tomorrow evening, GDP tomorrow, and Tesla finally broke higher. All right, that's it for now. Thank you for joining me, and use stop losses.